Today our topic any degree elbow cutting calculation. For our example, 2-inch long radius elbow. This 90-degree elbow. We want to cut 60 degree. This 60 degree. So first one we want to find out distance A, distance B, distance C. First we calculate distance B. So distance B equal to this elbow takeoff. B equal to this formula for elbow takeoff 38.1 multiplied by elbow size. So B equal to 38.1 is constant multiplied by this 2 for 2-inch pipe. See our example, a 2-inch pipe. So 38.1 multiplied by 2 equal to 76.2 mm. This for distance B. So we want to find out distance A and distance C. Second one, we want to find out distance A. Distance A equal to elbow takeoff minus half OD of elbow. So distance A equal to elbow takeoff up to here minus half OD of elbow. This half OD. So elbow takeoff we know already we solved 76.2 mm. So A equal to elbow takeoff 76.2 minus half OD. Half OD means 0.5 multiplied by 2-inch elbow OD size 60.4 mm. This is constant. So 76.2 minus half OD 30.2 is equal to 46 mm. So A equal to 46 mm. Last one, third one, distance C. C equal to elbow takeoff plus half OD of elbow. See here, C distance C equal to elbow takeoff plus half OD of elbow. So C equal to 76.2. Already we solved elbow takeoff 76.2 plus half OD. 0.5 OD of elbow equal 2-inch elbow 60.4. So 0.5 multiplied by 60.4 equal to 30.2. So 76.2 plus 30.2 is equal to C equal to 106.4 mm. C equal to 106.4 mm. So we know this distance A equal to 46, distance B equal to 76.2, distance C 106.4. We want to find out arc length X, arc length Y, arc length Z. This formula 2 pi r divided by 360 multiplied by 60. This for degree. How we this formula coming? Just assume this for our elbow, this hatched line, our elbow, 90-degree elbow. This for circle. Assume this for 360-degree circle. So formula for circumference, circle circumference equal to 2 pi r. We need 1 degree should be divided by 360. So arc length equal to 2 pi r for circle circumference. Total degree 360 degree. So result will come for 1 degree. But we need 60 degree elbow cutting. So formula is 2 pi r divided by 360 multiply by 60. If you want to cut 45 elbow, you put here 45. If you want to cut 30 degree elbow, you put 30 degree here. So formula is this one, 2 pi r divided by 360 multiplied by degree. So we apply this formula. First one, we want to find out the distance x. X equal to 2 pi r divided by 360 multiplied by 60. So 2 constant, pi 3.14, 46. We know the distance 46. So 2 pi 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 46 divided by 360 multiplied by 60 degree is equal to 48.17. You can use the calculator. Answer will come 48 mm. Distance y. Distance y means this distance. So same formula, 2 pi r divided by 360 multiplied by degree is equal to 2 constant, pi value 3.14. This distance r equal to, already we solved, 76 mm, 76.2 mm. So 76.2 divided by 360 multiplied by 60 equal to 79.8 mm. By using calculator, answer will come 79.8 mm. As round off 80 mm. Last one, distance, arc length Z. Arc length Z means this distance. So same above formula, 2 pi r divided by 360 multiplied by 60. So 2 constant, pi value 3.14. This r value 106.4 means this distance 106.4 divided by 360 multiplied by degree 60. By using calculator, answer will come 111.156 mm. Is round off 111 mm. So 3 distance we know. X 48 mm, Y 80 mm, Z 111 mm. You take the elbow from this end 48 mm, you mark it here. Before this marking, you are doing circumference, you are dividing 4 equal part, 4 equal marking like this. One mark is center, one mark is this end, another mark is this end. So by using measurement tape 48 mm, you can keep the measurement tape from here, you measure up to here, make mark here. By center, same like this, by using measurement tape 80 mm, mark it here. At the end, this side, you put the measurement tape here, you mark it 111 mm. You join this 3 line by using wrap around, this line will come. That is a 60 degree elbow cutting marking. By using grinder, you cut this elbow, you remove this portion, remaining will be 60 degree elbow. Thank you for watching.